everybody, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts Arne and Carlos, and we are still here in stunning and beautiful Lofoten. Today we have something special.
Yeah, today we are going to Lofoten Wool, and we're going to see some of the happy sheep they have here, and we're going to try to dye yarn.
Yes, we're gonna have a nice little encounter with some very cute sheep, and then we're gonna meet Ragnhild, who will show us around and teach us how to dye yarn. And I mean, what a place, huh? It is so gorgeous here. So it's gonna be a great day, I'm sure.
And this will be one of the videos where Arne and Carlos is doing things they don't know anything about.
So you
You
wanna
can see us fail, or you can see
success.
success.
You don't want to miss this, so come on, let's go and see Ragnhild and let's start doing some dyeing.
See you.
Hello!
Hi.
Welcome! So cool to see you here. Really, really great. So, do you want me to show you the happy sheep?
Yeah,
We heard they're very happy, but then again, when you live like this,
Why shouldn't you be happy?
why shouldn't you?
I know they would be happy.
Yeah, let's
Of
go and
course.
see the happy sheep.
Yes. Come on, come on!
Oh, look at this one. Oh, they're very
So-
cuddly, huh?
You know, the name of this girl is actually Vega,
Oh,
and this is Frøya.
our dog is Freya.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Hi.
They're not scared at all, they're like so friendly.
They're not
Yeah.
shy, huh?
Oh, they were...
Oh, sweet.
You know, this is the lamb's wool, so this wool is the same quality all the way. But when they get older, they would have this very thin, soft fibers close to the body, and they would develop more like a covering here, which will be more like a kind of raincoat. So those here will be much stiffer and very good for socks.
They look very happy here, I can tell.
And
Yeah.
you do all the dyeing also?
Yeah.
So let's go have a
show
look.
You. I'll show you.
You have to look.
Yeah.
So this is how we get the wool from the spinning mill. And this is 13 skeins. So when we're dyeing it, we have to get a system for this skeins.
Okay.
So this is one, you can have it.
Okay.
And there's another skein for you, Carlos.
Thank you so much. Very
And then
nice.
it's one for me.
Smells good.
Yeah, this smells of real wool.
Yeah, this is...
It's actually a little bit fat still. There's some fat, some lanolin from the sheep in it. So, you know, when we're going to put this in a pot with some dye, we have to make sure it doesn't get tangled up too much.
Oh, okay.
It will just be spaghetti. So put it on your right knee like this,
Okay.
and then I'll show you first. This is pure silk actually. It's very, very good quality thin thread. And the thing now is to secure the yarn and make sure it doesn't get tangled up. So we make a little circle around there, and you just turn it something like this, and another circle around there. And it's important to do this knot, so it doesn't get, it's not opening later in the process. Yeah. So we'll do these loops 4, 5, 6 times around the skein like this. And you must make sure it doesn't get too tight.
Yeah.
If it gets too tight, the color won't
Then you have
reach.
batik.
Yeah, you'll have some white spots. And
Yeah.
if it gets too big, it will get tangled. So I'm reckoning something like this.
Yeah. And you
Like a
start
hand's
with
width.
normal, just one knot. to
Yeah.
start with.
Yeah. And it's like this. Actually, we could do it like this and like this. And then you should also collect the beginning and the end here.
So this was, now I just cut it?
Yeah, we just put it like this. Super, you are finished.
I was thinking I would have to go around even.
No, no, no.
Yeah, that's
this,
what I thought too.
This is enough.
Is
So
enough?
now you have a beautiful skein with this helping skein thread, and then you
This.
turn it. Probably you know this already.
And now I'm ready too.
Maybe one more time, or
Yeah, you could. I'm doing it 3 times.
So now I have it
that's
too.
3 times.
Yeah. Now we're ready to dye. We will go to the kitchen.
Yeah.
Hansker. Sånn. Then we will start by washing the wool. As I said, this is full of fat now, and also a little bit of dirt from the sheep's life. So we will put some lukewarm water and some wool soap. Very important.
I think I take this off for the washing.
Yeah.
Well, you just put it in, right, and let it stay. Or do you
Yeah.
have to squeeze it?
No, you just put it in, and then we will just let it soak there for a tiny little bit. Yeah.
I can put
And then we can just dip them.
Yeah,
like this.
dip them down.
There we go.
If it was a knitted garment, we could wash it in the machine, but when it's supposed to be dyed, all the fibers must be freely exposed to the water. So this is how we do it. We could also move the hand a little bit. And you can also squeeze it. So you see, already it's a little bit whiter. So this is what you could do. And I could also prepare.
Which is my skein now. No, I want to do mine. No, that's mine because she did it. No, this is definitely not mine.
No, we can rinse it in this water.
Because she knows how to do it. We're learning.
Okay.
That's why.
Good. Then you just squeeze it like.
There we go. Washy, washy, washy.
Gave me the bad one.
Yeah, well, this is mine.
Is it one with some folds in it? Did I not follow you properly? It doesn't matter. Once we do this, it will be like this. We will straighten it out in the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you
it's
did
always,
it.
She's kind.
It's always like this. It's normal.
Yeah, it's normal.
It's normal. Don't be concerned. You can just leave it there for a little while.
Okay.
Because it's important that the wool should soak for a long time, because the wool actually can soak up a lot of water.
Yeah.
And that's one of the good things about wool. You will feel warm even though you are quite wet. The washing and the soaking is important for a successful result.
So we leave it for a while.
Leave it to soak
We'll
for a
be
while.
back in seconds.
So we're gonna put some blue dye into this pot. In here now it's already alkalic
Yes.
and it's without oxygen. And then we're gonna add some blue dye in here. This is what I personally call the mother. And in here it's very, very strong. A lot of pigments. And I would suck up. Now this is 60. And we will add 60 in here, and you would see it becomes like a bit of an oil flimmering on the top.
So you need to remember how much you use for each color.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
And this should be 50 degrees. 50 degrees, and then it's ready.
Yeah. Then you can put the yarn in there.
Yeah.
that's
So
the
let's
next-
take our skeins
Yeah.
and we squeeze out the water and we can put it in. You could just squeeze it and put it in this one.
It's so much lighter.
Well, very nice. Very nice color now.
Okay.
And it's gonna get even better.
You just put it in, and we must look at the clock. You put it in, and you put your in, Arne. It's here.
It's here.
Where did I put mine? Okay.
Yes, and I'll put mine. And you
Okay.
can now see it looks like quite yellow in a funny way.
Will there be three different blues now because we have like a few seconds in between each?
No, not really.
Not really.
It's not that fragile.
No.
So the thing is now to keep it moving, but it should not come above the surface.
Yeah, because then it starts to oxidize.
Exactly. If it does come up above, it doesn't really matter, but we now want it just to stay yellow down there, and it's going to stay there for 4 minutes. And then we take it up, put it on the stick, and leave it to oxidize.
Then we can watch it.
Magic.
Magic.
It is magic. I never get tired of this magic. I've done this now for many years, and I really still love it a lot. It's,
And you do classes with this? You have people coming? Or?
Yeah, we have done a lot of classes with this, and I'm planning to continue doing it.
Fun.
Cool.
Now we're going to take it up, and we're going to squeeze it in the bath.
Okay.
We don't want to put too much oxygen into the bath. Actually, we do this 3 times.
Oh.
4 minutes, 3 times. So this is the first test, and I would just pick up the yarn with my stick here, and I'll take one skein, squeeze it,
Oh, it's changing as soon as it
Whoosh.
Wow.
Like this.
That's changed very quick.
Okay, let's go.
It's your turn.
Let's go, let's go. Uh-oh.
Oh, you're making mine.
Sorry.
No, I will have like many colors.
Okay.
Squeeze it more.
Oh, it's hot, 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 hot.
Yeah,
Okay, there we go. Now it's your turn.
it's good, it's good. So it's changing
It's changing
from yellow.
so quick.
Yeah, you just hang it on the stick. It will be
Okay.
a mess. It's normal to be a mess at this stage. Yes.
Wow.
There we go. Voila. Look at that. It's blue.
That's dark.
Yeah, but that has been out for longer.
Yeah.
So they're going to get the same.
Actually, it takes 24 hours for it to finish off the reaction with
To
the
set.
oxygen.
Yeah.
So now it has to stay there for 10 minutes,
Yeah.
and then we dip it again.
Yeah.
10 minutes wait, dip it again, and then put it in water, because actually this is a bit alkalic, and the wool likes acid. So just for a short break with this dyeing, the wool could take the alkalic. But as soon as we can, we must put it in water with vinegar
Wow.
Yeah.
when it's finished.
Ah, I see.
Okay,
Yeah.
so look at this. What do you think?
I think
Now
I
it's,
did a good job.
it's all finished.
Yeah, this is the yarn we dyed. Oh, look, the silk thread is there, the one that we tied with our own bare hands.
Yes.
Wow, it was a great job, Arne. Yeah, Corona 5, I guess.
Oh, we know
And
each
one
other.
for you. Thank you for helping us so much. It's been a pleasure being here, and thank you for taking time to receive us.
Yeah, thank you for coming. It's really, really great to see you.
Yeah.
And,
I mean, to ask us to come to Lofoten, any day. We'll just get in our car and we'll just drive straight here.
okay, I will invite you. I will
Yeah.
invite you. Yeah,
So
it's very nice.
we've had such a great day, and I'm sure that our viewers are going to be very, very interested in knowing much more about you and your company. So don't worry, we've got you covered. There is a link popping up, I suppose.
Above
Eric, is it
our-
above my head now? Is that where the link is going to come, or is it going to be there? There? There.
Normally it's
There.
There. Okay, so there's going to be a link over my head, and that link will contain you click on that, and it will take you directly to Lofoten Wool here in beautiful Stamsund in Lofoten.
Yeah.
So now, Arne, we have the formalities.
the formalities. So if you like the video, put your thumbs up, and remember to put on your notifications,
Yes.
because then you will have a message every time there's a new video. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
Is that everything?
That's
I
everything.
tried to say this like so many times, and I forgot.
Yeah, and you always say the
I always
notifications.
do the notifications.
Anyway, you did a great job, and we're going to get on the road now and continue this wonderful journey in this beautiful place in Norway. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again next time.
And thanks to Ragnhild.
And thank you so much, Ragnhild, for having us.
Thank you as
Bye.
well. Okay, bye. Stay warm.
Well, it is warm, so.